Hi there, my name is Lorenzo from Inception Auto Detailing, and I actually have a very unique car here. It's a 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid version, and we did something a little different here. And what we did on this car is we actually changed the color here. So what I have here is the APA film, the Satin Desert Storm in color. So this was originally the pearl white in color, and this customer requested to actually completely change it. So normally we don't do color changes here, but this was a very special request and a very good customer, so we made it flexible to accommodate such requests. And what's really unique about this one with the vinyl is, even though it doesn't give the same level of protection, it does give some protection, but not as robust as paint protection film, but you can change it to whatever color you would like. So the options are endless here, depending on your personalization on the car. So this is one of the very first cars that we've done here with APA film, which is actually a very premium film made in Italy. So Satin Desert Storm, Tesla Model S Plaid, enjoy.